Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
We want to get some more stocks on the move today. Let's bring in our own Denitsa Sokova to take a look at some of the big movers. And the biggest mover that we're going to start with here is Dell.
For sure, Dell, obviously some of the earlier gains are fading, but still the stock is up 2% today. It was up as much as 6% today. It's not only Dell moving higher on the news we had, it's Supermicro Computer and HP as well getting a boost out of this, despite more broadly stocks seeing some exhaustion today. Of course, it comes off the news that Dell roughly doubled its growth estimates. The company unveiled a long-term financial framework that calls for sales to rise at a pace of 7 to 9% annually for the next 4 years. The new financial framework underscores Dell's bet on its position as a supplier of servers, and the AI business has been crucial for the growth we're seeing of the company. It has grown to $20 billion in just 2 years, and you can see that reflected in the stock. The stock is up 30% year to date, really strong, and one of the big beneficiaries. Of course, the company has contracts with CoreWeave and Elon Musk's XAI. So these are some of the big partnership investors are potentially seeing some big potential going forward.
Intercontinental Exchange.
Yes, crypto means traditional finance, and Intercontinental Exchange plans to invest as much as $2 billion in cash in Polymarket. That's quite a turnaround story for Polymarket. Now it's around $8 billion in value. Of course, just a few years back, things were very different. Polymarket was kicked offshore by federal regulators. Kalshi, Polymarket, those companies got a lot of popularity when it comes to betting on election outcomes. But Polymarket is now back. It came after it acquired a kind of little-known derivative exchange called QCX. Of course, it has been favored by regulation that's a lot more permissive to those bets, but that's clearly a fast-growing business. We obviously saw Citadel yesterday hinting that potentially they have some interest in that field, in that space, and it's growing very fast. And Intercontinental Exchange is getting a boost out of it. It's up more than 1% today, and the ticker is ICE.
And it may very well be a sign of more of these tie-ups between traditional market players and the crypto native ones. All right, final stock that you're keeping an eye on is Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree is having a rough day today. The ticker is DLTR. The stock is down about 2.5%. It fell even more in earlier trading. It's coming off a downgrade from Jefferies. Currently, it's underperformed. The price tag downgrade is actually pretty bad. It's currently $70 from 110 price tag. Walmart is involved in this. They're saying that Dollar Tree's long-standing competitive advantage, which is like simple bargain, may have all but evaporated. Jefferies found that the shopping bills at Walmart were lower than those at Dollar Tree. So we're seeing some pressure there. Obviously, consumer is not necessarily doing so well. We're having some worries there, inflation and pressure on the consumer. And that's definitely weighing on the stock. And it's not only that, actually, Dollar General is down, Five Below is down today. So a lot of pressure on those retailers today. And without too much economic data this week, but obviously we're looking at all those consumer-facing brands and the pressure they're feeling.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.